Pruning is like giving your fruit trees a good haircut. Just as a haircut can make you feel fresh and revitalized, pruning invigorates your trees, promoting their overall health and vitality. It's an essential practice for any gardener who wants to ensure their fruit trees thrive. It keeps them healthy and helps them produce more fruit. By removing unnecessary branches, the tree can focus its energy on producing high-quality fruit. This means bigger, juicier, and more abundant harvests for you to enjoy. When we prune, we remove dead, diseased, or overcrowded branches. This not only prevents the spread of disease, but also reduces the risk of pest infestations. Healthy branches can then flourish without competition, leading to a more robust tree. This allows sunlight and air to reach all parts of the tree. Adequate sunlight is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which trees convert light into energy. Good air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases and keeps the tree's environment balanced. More sunlight means more energy for the tree to grow strong and produce delicious fruit. The increased exposure to sunlight ensures that every part of the tree gets the nutrients it needs, resulting in a bountiful and tasty harvest. Pruning also helps control the size and shape of your trees. This is particularly important for maintaining a manageable garden. By shaping the tree, you can ensure it fits well within your space and doesn't overshadow other plants. This makes it easier to harvest your fruit and keeps your garden looking tidy. A well-pruned tree is not only more productive but also more aesthetically pleasing, contributing to the overall beauty and order of your garden. Before you start pruning, you'll need the right tools for the job. A good pair of secateurs is essential for cutting through smaller branches. For thicker branches, you'll need loppers or a pruning saw. Always make sure your tools are sharp to ensure clean cuts and minimize damage to your trees. The best time to prune fruit trees is during the dormant season, which is when the trees are not actively growing. This period is crucial because it allows the trees to conserve energy and focus on healing the cuts made during pruning. By pruning during dormancy, you help the tree to direct its resources towards new growth in the spring. When the trees are not actively growing, they are less susceptible to diseases and pests, which can easily enter through fresh cuts. This is typically in late winter or early spring before new buds start to appear. During this time, the tree's structure is more visible, making it easier to identify and remove dead or diseased branches. This is typically in late winter or early spring before new buds start to appear. Pruning during this period also encourages a more robust and healthy growth pattern for the upcoming season. The tree can then channel its energy into producing fruit rather than repairing damage. Pruning during dormancy allows the trees to heal quickly and minimizes stress. The cuts made during this time will have ample opportunity to dry out and callus over before the growing season begins, reducing the risk of infection. Additionally, pruning helps to shape the tree, improving air circulation and sunlight penetration, which are vital for fruit production. However, the exact timing may vary depending on the type of fruit tree you have. For instance, some trees may benefit from a slightly different schedule, so it's important to know the specific needs of your trees. Stone fruits, like cherries and plums, for example, might have different requirements compared to apple or pear trees. It's always best to consult a local gardening expert or do some research online to find the ideal pruning time for your specific trees. Local experts can provide valuable insights based on the climate and conditions in your area, ensuring that your trees receive the best care possible. By taking the time to learn and understand the needs of your fruit trees, you can maximize their health and productivity. There are several pruning techniques to learn, each serving a specific purpose. Pruning is essential for maintaining the health and productivity of your fruit trees. By understanding and applying the right techniques, you can ensure your trees grow strong and bear abundant fruit. Let's explore some of the most common methods used by gardeners and horticulturists. One common technique is called thinning, which involves removing entire branches from the center of the tree. Thinning helps to reduce the density of the foliage, which can prevent diseases and pests from taking hold. It also allows sunlight to reach the inner parts of the tree, promoting healthier growth and better fruit production. This opens up the canopy, allowing for better air circulation and light penetration. Improved air circulation can help to reduce the risk of fungal infections, while increased light penetration can enhance photosynthesis, leading to more vigorous growth and higher yields. Another technique is heading, which involves cutting back the tips of branches to encourage lateral growth and a bushier habit. Heading is particularly useful for shaping young trees and controlling their size. By promoting lateral growth, this method can help create a more balanced and aesthetically pleasing tree structure. After you've finished pruning your fruit trees, it's important to give them some tender, loving care. Water them well, especially during dry periods, to help them recover from the stress of pruning. You can also apply a balanced fertilizer to replenish nutrients in the soil. Regularly inspect your trees for any signs of pests or diseases and take appropriate action if necessary.